Welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss something that might sound a bit daunting, but is super important for our truckers out there. Heavy vehicle use tax. Trust me, we'll make it as smooth as a cross-country road trip. So what exactly is this heavy vehicle use tax? Well, if you've got a big rig, think over 55,000 pounds gross weight, you're in the club. This tax is all about the privilege of using those heavy-duty roads. You're probably thinking, oh great, another thing to worry about, but stay with me here. Here's the deal. The roads don't maintain themselves, right? Heavy vehicles contribute to wear and tear, so this tax helps keep those highways in tip-top shape. It's like pitching in for the neighborhood barbecue. You use the road, you chip in to maintain it. But how do you go about paying this tax? That's where it can get a bit tricky. There's a form involved, and it might feel like trying to read an ancient scroll. It's detailed, requires accurate info, and you definitely want to get it right. Otherwise, you could face penalties or delays, and no one wants that. Another important thing to remember is that this tax applies to both owner-operators and fleet owners. If you've got multiple trucks under your business, you'll need to file separately for each qualifying vehicle. Staying on top of these filings ensures your fleet remains compliant and avoids costly penalties that can eat into your bottom line. Now, I know paperwork isn't everyone's favorite thing. That's where movingauthority.com comes in handy. We can help you breeze through those complicated forms without breaking a sweat. Think of us as your co-pilot on this paperwork journey. Visit movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Timing is key here. You've got to pay this tax annually, and there are specific deadlines. Missing those is like showing up late to a delivery, and we know that's a no-go. Mark your calendar and make sure you're all set so you can hit the road worry-free. Also, keep in mind that once you've paid the tax, you'll receive a stamped Schedule 1, which serves as proof of payment. This document is crucial for renewing your truck's registration. Without it, you could face delays in getting your truck legally back on the road, which means lost time and revenue. Always keep a copy handy. And hey, if you've got questions, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment below. We love hearing from you, and we're here to help. This video was brought to you by movingauthority.com, your go-to resource for all things trucking. Stay tuned, stay informed, and keep on trucking. Until next time, take care and safe travels.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.